Hello, I'm Uldis Bojārs, and in this presentation I will tell you about the use of Skosmos at the National Library of Latvia. Since 2004, the National Library of Latvia has been creating authority data about persons and families, corporate bodies, events, topical headings, and so on. Then we began interlinking this information with other data sources. First, since year 2000, we use the Library of Congress subject headings as a basis on which we develop our own subject headings. Then in 2019, we started adding links to our geographic name authority records. And in 2020, we began adding links to the authority records of subject headings and form genre headings. Then, in 2021, we developed the NLL Ontology service using the Skosmos open source software for publishing SKOS ontologies. It allows us to publish our authority records as linked open data. Currently, NLL Ontology service includes 3 datasets: genre form ontology with almost 3,000 concepts, NLL geographic name ontology with 8,700 concepts, and subject authority ontology with more than 53,000 concepts. And here you see where you can find the ontology service on the web. This slide shows the route of our authority records from Mark 21 in Ex Libris Aleph system to linked open data published using Skosmos. First, information from Ex Libris Aleph is exported in Mark XML data format, and then it is converted to SKOS RDF data using the MC to SKOS tool. Afterwards, this information is loaded into Jena Fuseki, which Skosmos interacts with using Sparkle queries. And then Skosmos allows us to provide both a web user interface for human users and linked data and REST API for computer users. This slide shows an example screen of a concept, critical rationalism, published using Skosmos. And you can see that besides the primary or preferred term, in English in this case, critical rationalism, there is also a list of terms or names of this concept in other languages, such as Latvian and Finnish. And I mentioned before that we have added external links to our concepts, and here Skosmos publishes these links, in this case to Wikidata and to USO, Finnish General Ontology. These links can point to various ontologies and services, but the most widely used link targets in our dataset are Library of Congress authority records, FAST authority file, Wikidata, USO General Finnish Ontology, and VF Virtual International Authority file. Other notable things to mention with regards to Skosmos user interface are information about the URI for the concept, and it is great to have the referenceable URIs so that we can point to Skosmos from other systems, such as ANIF, which we are experimenting with. And there is also an option to download information about this concept in RDF, in the following RDF serializations. And this is what RDF in turtle serialization looks like. This is basic information about this concept, including links to other linked data resources. We have also translated Skosmos to Latvian, as you can see on this slide. And we developed a simple plugin that allows us to display a link to the Aleph system along with the identifier of this concept in Aleph. And it's great that Skosmos is extensible using plugins. This is what the core of this plugin looks like, so it's nothing complicated. And so, to conclude this presentation, the benefits from using Skosmos for us are the following. Our ontology information is published as linked open data. Our ontology concepts are findable on the web, and there is possibility of interlinking information published in Skosmos with other information systems, both as outgoing links, and there's also opportunity for linking to Skosmos URIs. Thank you, and I'll be glad to answer any questions via email.